How to draw the Santa version of Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime. Hey, what is going on, everybody? So for the first step of our drawing today, we're going to begin by drawing the Santa hat, and I also want to mention that I hope you're having a great month of December. We will begin by drawing the bottom portion of the hat, which will look similar to a cloud. Nicely done! Now right above what we just drew and to the right, we're going to begin to draw a small circle, which will be the ball at the end of the hat. Now we will connect those two shapes that we just drew by using two curved lines. Well done, now the hat is completely finished. For today's drawing, we're only going to be drawing the head of Huggy Wuggy. So next we're going to go right below the hat, and we're going to begin to draw two circles for the eyes. And if you're enjoying today's video, then be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists just like yourself can also learn how to draw Huggy Wuggy as Santa. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now on the inside of each circle that we just drew for the eyes, we'll add in a smaller circle that will be for the pupil. Now right below the eyes, we're going to begin to draw the mouth. We're going to begin by drawing the top of the mouth by using a shape that will look similar to a W that is slightly curved. Now to make the outline of the mouth, we're going to connect the left side all the way over to the right hand side. So far, we're making really great progress. Now on the inside of the mouth that we just drew, we're going to begin to make a smaller outline. This will be where the teeth will be. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post every single day. Fantastic! Now we're all done drawing the outline of the inside of the mouth. For the next step, we're going to begin to add in the teeth by using shapes that look similar to triangles. Are you a big fan of Huggy Wuggy? If so, let us know by giving this video a big like and commenting Huggy Wuggy. Also, if you want to learn how to draw the full body of Huggy Wuggy, then check out our most recent drawing tutorial of Huggy Wuggy that we posted just last week. Great job on how to draw Hub Crew. Let's take a quick second to recap and see what we have done so far. We have the eyes drawn, as well as the Santa hat, as well as the mouth and teeth. Next, we're going to begin to draw the eyebrows, as well as the sides of the face that will connect to the hat. At the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and match your colors. Now we're almost done. We just have to do the exact same thing to the left hand side that we just did to the right. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing of Huggy Wuggy came out very well. If you would like to share your drawings so that I could see them, then you could use the hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub on Instagram, and then I will give it a big like from our Learn How to Draw Hub account. Great job today, and I can't wait to draw with you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you're interested in learning how to draw Huggy Wuggy but the full body version, then click on the video to the right. If you want to see more Christmas drawing tutorials, then click on the playlist to the left.